What is up, fellow pyro fanatics? It's Pimp Daddy 28 here, and today I'm going to show you guys a demo video of the Faces of Death 5-inch canister shells. Went to my launch site yesterday and let off a few things that I had in my stash, and one of them was a sleeve of the Faces of Death shells. I was only able to light off 5 of the shells, not all of the 6 shells, but still, they were pretty nice. I was going to save or wait till the 4th to start posting some demo videos, but I couldn't wait to post this one. These shells were really, really good, and I'm going to have to say it's probably the best ones I've ever lit off personally. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let me know what you think of the shells. Alright, Faces of Death, green wave with white strobe. Damn!
Oh, that glitter lasts
Woo!
a long time.
Faces of Death.
That's fine.
Red wave and crackling.
My charging case.
Okay, we got green dahlia with silver cherry for Faces of Death. Wow. That went high. Okay, we got red dahlia with silver cherry. Faces of Death. Wow. These things are no joke. Got blue and white strobe. Faces of Death. Damn!